just came up that long trail right there. We came up that long trail, followed a semi the entire way that had some of those pipes. He brought it up, turned around, and then now he's up around that corner, getting ready to do some work, I guess. It's a beautiful view as we were coming up there. It's just amazing. You can see all of God's country. We're definitely up in the mountains. There's Craig.
Peace.
There's Brad. And we're gonna roll a little bit. This trail looks nice and peaceful, so I'm gonna videotape a little bit as we go.
Brad and I get to go out in front and see the installer over there. Yeah. Oh, he's so fast. He's so fast.
I don't know what this video is going to look like. It might be a little too shaky, but we'll tape for a little bit. First time all day we got ATV problems.